So the first question is, this is from Lori. Okay, is it possible to never get better at hip hop dancing? The only way you never get better is if you never practice, if you never take class, if you essentially just, kind of one and done kind of thing. You take a class once, assume you got it, and then you leave. I think that's like the biggest mistake that a lot of people do. If you're practicing every day, even if you're not taking class, even if you're getting any formal training, I think you're going to get better incrementally every day, every month, every week. But if you are taking that class and you're getting feedback, you're a part of a community, you're going to sessions, you're taking online classes, you're doing whatever it takes, you're going to grow. But if you're just kind of winging it, not getting any of the feedback you need to improve, then the growth is slow. And then you don't grow if you don't practice. That's all I got to say.